SOLIDWORKS 2009 introduces several enhancements to the Weldment functionality to streamline the design process. No longer is it necessary to create many Weldment features and then manually trim them at their connections. With SOLIDWORKS 2009, you can include all common members in a single feature and let SOLIDWORKS trim them automatically for you. We do this by creating groups of connected members or members that are parallel to each other. After selecting all the member groups, SOLIDWORKS takes care of all the trim work at the connections, which previously would have had to be done manually. Take a look at what a great job SOLIDWORKS did with this weldment and all the connections. SOLIDWORKS 2009 also introduces a new capability to the weldment tools, the ability to add gaps to structural members. Gaps are important on the fabrication side because they allow the members to be designed to the proper length and ensure the structure will be within tolerance. SOLIDWORKS has always had the ability to control how joints between members meet, but here we will add a large gap for this entire group to visualize the results. Corner-specific gaps can also be added to individual members to ensure the proper fit. With the new capability to build many members in a single feature, it may be important to control which members trim and which members get trimmed. SOLIDWORKS allows the user to control the trim order to get the desired result. These new tools will certainly save users a great deal of time when designing weldments. But it doesn't stop here. SOLIDWORKS has always had the capability to easily add gussets to stiffen a weldment. But often a weld bead needs to run under this gusset, and this required the user to add an extra feature to accomplish the task. Gussets have been enhanced to allow the user to create a corner chamfer to allow the weld bead to run under the gusset. This saves the user the extra steps of having to create the chamfer later in the design. Multiple end caps can now be created in a single feature. The benefit is that if a change needs to be made to the end caps, it can be done by making the change once and all the end caps update together. End caps can also be positioned inward. SOLIDWORKS then shortens the tube by the thickness of the end cap to provide a more streamlined design. With the many new weldment capabilities of SOLIDWORKS 2009, customers will be able to design their weldments more accurately and faster than ever.